The cat is on the mat. We are learning slowly in trig. Hello everyone, welcome to Master House24. Today we'll practice slow English learning. I will speak slowly and clearly so that you can understand easily. Hello everyone, welcome to Master House24. Today we'll practice slow English learning. I will speak slowly and clearly so that you can understand easily. Hello সবাইকে স্বাগতম Master House English শেখার অনুশীলন করব. If you want to improve your English speaking and listening, this lesson is for you. আপনি যদি আপনার ইংরেজি বলা এবং শোনার দক্ষতা বাড়াতে চান, তাহলে এই লেসনটি আপনার জন্য. So please listen carefully and repeat after me. Hello everyone, সবাইকে স্বাগতম. Welcome to our English learning podcast. আমাদের ইংরেজি শেখার প্লে স্বাগতম. Welcome to daily English speaking practice. Practice every day to build your confidence and fluency. Welcome to our English learning podcast. আমাদের ইংরেজি শেখার পডকাস্টে স্বাগতম. Today we will practice English slowly. আজ আজাদেদি এগোনতি শুরু করব. Good morning, শুভ সকাল. How are you? আপনি কেমন আছেন? I am Fachi. Good morning, সকাল সকাল. How are you? আপনি কেমন আছেন? I am fine. আমি ভালো আছি. What is your name? আপনার নাম গ্রিন. বাংলা. I want to learn English. At English win, I practice it. I প্রতিদিন ইংরেজি জানব. I practice English every day. আমি কে ইংরেজি অনুশীলন করি. Learning English is important. Never give up. Success will come. Learning takes time. Thank you for listening. I am improving every day. I wake up early. I try best. In morning, I go to work. I study English. Practice makes perfect. I can speak English. I'm learning slowly. আমি ধীরে ধীরে শিখছি. Practice this sentence daily. Speak English with confidence. Your English will improve. Keep learning every day. Like this video. Keep learning every day. Learning English is fun. 42 veded. অনুপ্রাণিত হচ্ছে বলেন. Thank you for it. Today we practice slow English speaking. I hope it can help you warm up practice English every day. এরকম গুরুত্বপূর্ণ ভিডিও পেতে লাইক, শেয়ার এবং ফলো, সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলবে না. Thanks for watching the full video. Keep practicing daily to improve your English speaking skills. Next time meet again with another interesting video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.